welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have a super cute and easy Father's Day card for you today. Now before I carry on, just to remind you, little Ted, our mascot, is hiding in this video somewhere. Be sure to find him and leave me a comment down below telling me where you spotted him. Anyway, let's take a look and see how these Father's Day cards are made. So you're going to need some card. We're going to make a green one, some contrasting paper for rosette, some stars if you want for decorating, scissors, pen, pencil, ruler, and of course your yellow card for the trophy. Now I'm just using the ruler. It's not that exact a science, but I want to get the most out of my paper. So I'm going to try and fold mine, let's turn it around, to about 3.5 centimeters. If you do 3.5 and just below, then hopefully I'll get the exact amount of folds out of it, because you need 6 in total, and every time I fold it I end up with 5.5. So keep folding it. Really important that the edges meet nicely, otherwise your trophies will all fall apart and you don't want that. Great, so I've got a little bit left over, which is good. Just trim that off. So you've got your kind of 6. Now you've got your open edge and your closed edge. The closed edge is where the inside of your trophy goes, and you're going to sketch it out. So go across, go down. Here's the handle. The handle has to go all the way to the open edge. Really important that you do that. Sketch it out basically like a wine glass. And then if you want, you can have some staggered bits down at the bottom. But can you see that? Looks like a wine glass with an ear. And then we're going to cut that out. Really important to keep this edge. Let's have a look. Look at those. Aren't they fabulous? So cute. Now I'm going to use my black pen. Oh yes, I didn't say we need a black pen. Let me find one. I'm going to use my black pen and get some scrap paper to go underneath so it doesn't go on my surface. I'm going to use a black pen to draw some outlines, mainly because I want the handles to be visible. So we have our little pop-up, super cute. Now you could, if you want, put a number 1 on here. I decided just to put like a shiny bit, and also I want to put a rosette on. Now you don't have to do a rosette. As with all these things, it's all about making up your own designs and just being inspired by what I'm showing you. But I'm going to make a rosette by basically cutting out a circle, cutting out another circle, some strips, do a little bit of trimming. So you can glue that down first if you want, might be easier, might not, I don't know, it's up to you. But I'm just going to trim some edges into my rosette. When you open it, it needs to fit in. Isn't allowed to go too far, otherwise you're going to crease it. Careful with your fingers. I've got little black marks and it means that you might smudge that. I think I have a little bit, but make sure it fits when it's shut. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And now the final assembly. Get my greeting card. Basically, you just want to stick it down. So here, fold the card up to make sure this fits nicely. it. Put glue sort of on the last one and the first one. Do be careful with the black pen, always at risk of smudging, and if you've got this far and then you smudge it, it's really annoying. And stick. I'm going to stick it quite straight because then it will open and shut quite nicely. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Such a cute Father's Day card. Right, and then just lastly, or we can maybe put it even a bit further down, because then we can use our stars just for a bit of decorating. You can also cut your own ones out, leave them out. You don't have to do this, but I think it's just a nice extra. And there you have it. Your Father's Day trophy pop-up card is finished. And look how easy it is to make. Isn't that adorable? So as with all our other videos, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.